everybody. Welcome to Learning English with BodhiSutra. Today, we are going to take a look at a conversation between doctor and his patient. Let's have a look. Talking to doctor, getting your heart checked. Hello, doctor. Hello. Please have a seat. Thank you, doctor. Yes. So, how can I help you today? Doctor, I think I am having a heart attack. A heart attack? How so? Last night, I had severe pain in the chest. Okay, let me check. Here, your pulse and BP are normal. Oh, but I definitely felt a sharp pain in my chest. Okay, how long did the pain last? It lasted for around 10 to 15 minutes. Where exactly was the pain? Here, just below my heart. Well, in that case, it is definitely not a heart attack. But, doctor, the pain was very sharp. Yes, but all chest pain may not be heart attack. So just relax. But doctor, why would my chest pain? It can be due to many reasons. Let me examine. This is my ECG. I got it done a few days ago. Okay, let me see. Here. Okay, Your ECG looks normal. Your heart looks perfectly healthy to me. But then that pain, have you ever had chest pain before? Yes, sir. Many years ago. When was that? Doctor, when? It was when I was in college. I had my exams and I neglected to eat for almost 3 days. Oh, then that would most likely be due to acidity. Apart from that, no, I have never had chest pain. Your weight is also fine. BP, ECG, pulse, all look good. If you say so, doctor. Indeed, it is. Any family history of heart disease? No, sir. Neither my father nor mother ever had any heart problem. I don't think you have it either. What did you eat yesterday? I ate some street food in the afternoon yesterday. Did you have any stomach problems after that? Yes, doctor. I had loose motions. Did you also have stomach ache? Acidity? Yes, doctor. Sharp pain, as if someone was stabbing my stomach with a long sword. most likely your chest pain was also due to your stomach problem. But, doctor, why would my chest hurt if my stomach has a problem? Sometimes it happens. Acidity causes heartburn. So it is not heart disease? In all probability, no. It is a simple stomach upset. Okay, so what should I do now? I will still recommend a detailed heart checkup. Your ECG is done. I am writing TMT also. Do I have to get admitted in the hospital for TMT? No, it's a simple test. No hospital admission is necessary. I hope it will not hurt during the TMT test. No, don't worry. Anything else, doctor? Avoid eating junk or street food for some time. Okay, doctor. Thank you so much. My pleasure. All right, so this conversation was between a doctor and his patient complaining about heart disease. I hope this conversation was clear to all. Let's meet up for a next conversation. Until then, goodbye.